Hey, we got a real question here. All right, Mike says, what's the best lockout kit for GM HEI Distributor on a 602 crate? Or are they all pretty much the same?
Actually, that one that Kate sells. I mean, I'm not even, like, trying to promote her shit. I'm just saying that one you sell from...
It's from Pace, from Crate Innovations. Yeah, so I've got those up on the website. It's
actually a really good kit.
Well, and it's the one that you've used. You've locked out. Yeah. You lock out some distributors for me.
It's simple, stupid to use.
Yeah, good deal.
I mean, if you can follow 3 directions, you can lock out your distributor. And I mean, it's like, it's actually phased correctly, all that stuff. So.
Well, I would actually appreciate, maybe we can make a video because, and I need to make that, I'll put that on my list because there's actually no instructions with these anymore.
Oh, is there not?
No,
okay.
And so.
Yeah, it's extremely easy to use.
Well, and that would be great. I mean, even if it's like a 2-minute video and you can show me how it's done, that would be.
Yeah, I mean, that would, wouldn't take much.
Be really great.